Hello guys, this video lecture is based on the JSON parsing. JSON parsing is the JavaScript object notation. In the Android, there is a package that is called org.json. In the org.json, there is a four classes. First is the JSON array, second is the JSON object, third is the JSON stringer, and fourth is the JSON tokener. In the JSON parsing, so the JSON object, in the JSON object, the values are stored in the key value forms, and I will tell you what is the key value. Key value means just like a integer variable a equal to 10. So the 10 value stored in the variable a, same as the name as Shivam is stored in the variable name. So the key is the name, value for this name is a Shivam. So this is the key value form. In the JSON object, there is JSON array also included. So in the JSON array, the values is stored in the JSON object as well as the key values pair. So as like a same, I will give a simple example of the JSON data. So this JSON data, this is starting of the JSON object and this is the ending of the JSON object, and then this is the key, and this whole is the value for this key, and then the JSON array has been started. I will give the name as A, and the array has been JSON array has been started. And in the JSON array there is a two JSON objects are in the JSON array. First is this, that is has id 01, and second is this has id 02. So this, and in this JSON object I will give as name O. So in the inner JSON object, there is a three key values. First is the id has value 01, second is the company name has value as a Facebook, and as a same as the developed by Mark Zuckerberg and published date is February 4, 2004, and second is the same as this. So this is the JSON array and the JSON object. And what is the JSON data, I will describe you. So I will go to the program, so where we will implement the JSON parsing in my Android Studio. So I will data, this is my project. There is a two file, activity main and main activity file. In the activity main file, that is the XML file, I will created a text view for showing my JSON data. So first is the hello world name, I will change as JSON parsing as giving the title. I will giving the title and set is as a center horizontal as true. So I will also seeing the design mode. I will also change the size of the my text size equal to 24 dp. I will give the 24 dp. And second, I will create a text view, that if I will create a scroll view, I will create a scroll view for scrolling the object inside the scroll view. I will giving the width as a match parent, and then I will describe a text view inside the scroll view. And in the text view I will describe the many of the attributes, that is the text size, text I will set as the blank, and the text size I will describe as 16 dp for smaller than the main text view. I will also give the id, no this is not, I will also give the id of my second text view. It's called text2. So I will make basically all the things I have described. Okay, so I will give my Java file, that is the main activity.java. In the main activity.java, firstly I will inflate the text view, that is the second text view. I will give the output. because the output is showing with this text view. I will inflate this text view. I will inflate this text view as find view by id, and give the id r dot id dot text2, and also cast this as a text view. We will create a string as name as JSON data, and in the string JSON data I will store a JSON data that I will previously created. This is the my JSON data. I will copy this data and paste on my JSON data variable. So this is also contain the \n because this is going to another line, so it will give the \n. I will also describe a string variable as data for giving the output with the adding the output with my output text view. So my basic work has been completed, and then I will go to my next step for JSON parsing. So first we will create the JSON object. For the JSON object, I will create a JSON object to basically name as object. So I will give a small letter JSON object equal to new, and I will give the JSON object name and pass the JSON. I will pass the JSON data, that is this. I will pass the variable name of the JSON data with the my JSON object. So JSON data, the first work has been, I will create my JSON object, and then I will create my JSON array. I will create JSON array name as JSON array equal to, I will fetch the array data from the this JSON object. So I will first give the JSON object dot, I will get the data from the JSON object. So I will use the opt JSON array and pass the main string name, that is in my case that is the company. I will also copy this, copy this and paste in my JSON array data variable. So in this stage I will create a for loop. First I will give to integer I equal to 0, and second is the I is less than my JSON array dot length. It set the length of my JSON array, that is if I have contained the 2 elements, then it store 2. If my JSON array contain 4 JSON objects, then the value of the JSON array dot length is equal to 4. And then I will go to one to another, so I plus plus, and then my for loop has been created. And in the for loop, and then I will created the JSON array. I will also created the JSON array, and then I will created the JSON object again for fetching the data inside the JSON array. I will name as inner object, and it take from data from the JSON array. So give the first JSON array dot get JSON object and pass the variable for I as I for fetching the 1 by 1 data. So my inner JSON object has been created. Then I will get the data from every JSON object. So I will created a string variable at name as ID for storing the value of ID in the id variable, and then name of the inner object dot opt string, and put the name of the id value, id key, same as, no change between this, and convert into string, and this is complete. And same as the second, second is the company name. I will give the name underscore company, and same as inner object dot opt string, and put the name of the company name key in the inner object opt to string and convert into string. And the third is the developed by, so I will give the name as a developed, and inner object dot opt to string, and place the name as developed by and convert into string and change to string. And the last one is the publish date. I will give the variable name as the publish, and same as inner object dot opt to string, and I will copy the publish date key name as Ctrl C and paste it and convert into string, and this is completed. This is the variable that fetches the data from the JSON object, and then I will create a variable that we are also created, that is the JSON data. This variable store the data from that data fetching from this variable. So I will give the data equal to, there is the also a data name for adding data equal to data, or plus equal to, and then this, and then I will give the rank name as rank, and as id backslash n for the next line, and the second is the company name, as name company. I will also give it backslash n next line, name of the company, and the third one is the developed by, and I give the variable name as developed backslash n, and the third one is the publish date as publish date, and I give the variable as publish, and I will also give the some space between two JSON data, and then the JSON data is stored in the JSON variable. And then the third work is this data attached with my text view. So I will attach with my text view. The text view variable name is the output, and set the data for set text, and pass the variable as the data. This is completed, and so please hold here this. So my data parsed, and the data can be shown in my APK file. That is first, as we see on my data, that is the company, and first is the company name is the Facebook, and developed by Mark Zuckerberg. Publish date is February 4, 2004. Same as the given rank as 1 as the ID, and company name as the Facebook, and developed by Mark Zuckerberg. Publish date is February 4 and 2004. So my JSON parsing has been completed. Thank you for watching more videos. Subscribe my channel, comment this video, and like this video.